outside. It is chilly. Oh. Close your door.
I got you filming already.
What?
Looks like you're filming.
Yes. Let's see what we got. Looks like they got a fire hydrant installed down there.
Yep.
Down there. Let's see what we can see. Oh, watch your step. There's a big ditch, like a big slit in the road there. Wow. That's weird how the top link's arranged on this. That's kind of weird. I've never seen it like that. Huh. Yeah, it's just a shock. I don't think there's anything in there. Huh. Still got this giant pallet of fire extinguishers. They haven't. Well, not fire extinguishers, fire hydrants. Get your terminology right. They haven't touched. I'm probably guessing they only come in these stacks of 9. So,
Probably buy them one at a time.
well, yeah, that's what I mean, but for shipping them in bulk like this, they probably only come in these batches of 9. They can't go any bigger. How much do you think this pallet weighs? With all of these on here.
I think they're about 500 pounds a piece.
Yeah, so 500,000, 1,500, 2,000. So that's a ton there. 3 of them. Another 3. Okay, so 1 ton to 3 tons, probably? Look at how shiny the bolts are. Guaranteed they're not going to look like that for too long.
Seems like the scrap pile.
Yeah. I'm just wondering, how the heck do you crack a pipe like that? Good lord. Just wondering, how do you break something like that? There's the manhole covers. Let's go take a look at that excavator. So I gotta get that on video just to really show how big the thing is. Remember, it was sitting way up there. Remember, the excavator was sitting way at the top of the hill? It's gonna look really interesting on video, how it's like this twilight lighting. Yeah, the camera should be able to pick it up just fine. I know it's picking up all the noise from the highway, probably. I wouldn't be surprised. Even though it's facing away from the highway. What's this? This is a giant... Oh yeah, it's a big valve.
It's a huge valve.
This... Yeah. Let's see. You see it moving? Holy crap. You need a big wrench to turn that. Look at the size of the gate in there. Look at the size of the gate on this thing. Holy crap. You need one heck of a wrench to turn that. It's like a ladder they're using and a bunch of other valve assemblies. Look at all this pipe. Holy crap. I think this is ductile iron. This is the ductile iron pipe. This is commonly what's used for stuff like this. Whoa. Look through there. That looks weird. Yeah. I don't think these have the concrete lining. Or maybe they do. Oh, no, they do. That's the concrete liner right there. Look at that, look. These have concrete lined in them. This thicker part here, that's concrete. These are cast, and then they spray concrete in there, and then run a big spray boom through there that sprays the paint. And really, as I've said, the difference between ductile iron and gray iron is ductile iron has magnesium in it. And you see this yellow stripe here? That's for how you know how far it can go into the bell end of the pipe. Because you see this flared out end? That's the bell, and this is the straight end, and they just put like a sealer on this and then shove it in, and it will stick. And yeah, you should see the machine that casts these. It's actually kind of cool. It's literally, it's a big,
Like a big extruder?
no, it's, the metal like pours in, and the extruder's spinning like 6,000 RPM, and it centrifugally casts it. It's actually really cool.
Wild.
It's a crazy process. It's a really crazy process. That looks weird how that's like twisted. You see how that pallet, or that stack of pipes is twisted? Like, huh. I wonder how the heck you'd move this. Well, yeah, either with an excavator or it's a lot of dirt. A couple of. Yeah. Let's see this. There's big fella. Yeah, this is the same machine that we saw last time. Yeah, it's a lot better walking around here with these boots instead of wearing Crocs. That was not a smart idea last time. Yeah, I can tell this has been working because how much dirt's caked into the tracks. Can't push it out. Wow. Like, look, this is what the thing folded in the normal position. Yeah, this is probably not going to come out so well. I don't think it's going to do it justice on video, but that's what, a good, or maybe 6 feet above me? Oh, probably more than that. Yeah, it's probably 20. Holy crap. You think I could fit in here?
What's that?
If I crouch, do you think I could fit?
Yeah, yeah.
Okay. That's just insane. I'm gonna walk around to the other side. Wow. This thing is a behemoth. I'd love to know where the keys are for this. That'd be fun to take for a ride. Holy crap. That's unbelievable. That's unbelievable. Man, I can't believe vehicles are even able to drive around here with all this soft soil. What? Yeah. Imagine if, you see these little chocks here that are holding the pipes still? Imagine if those gave way. Just it's kind of like what happened in WALL-E when WALL-E made that little like garbage cube replica of Eve, and she just flies off and was like, oh. And then he kicks the stack of pipe with his tracks and gets buried underneath him. I mean, that was kind of mean, but it was really funny.